Hi, this is Warren Buckleitner. Today looking at LeapStart. This is the 2016 edition of this very popular platform that was first released by Leapfrog back in 1999. Now this year's edition has some important differences that need to be pointed out. It runs on two AA batteries. There are two ports, a USB and also a headphone jack, and is not, I repeat, is not compatible with your older LeapPad books. Just to make things confusing, you'll notice that there are two versions of the LeapStart this year, but there are no real technical differences between the two. One looks like it's designed more for younger children, one for older children, but they run each other's books.
Touch your LeapStart book with your stylus to begin playing. Word-O-Matic!
So the stylus is kind of hard to hold. It's fat, and you don't really hold it like a pencil, but it does work. If you look at the tip, you'll notice that there's a little camera in there, and that's because this device uses the dotted paper technology. It actually sees where it is on the page and gets the coordinates, and so that's how it knows what to say. The advantage to this technology is you don't need to use cartridges. You just drop in a book
Daily
and it works.
routines with health and wellness. Level 2. Pre-K. Amazing animals with conservation. Superhero vocabulary with communication skills. Works with all LeapStart learning systems.
So again, I'm going to emphasize that this is an entirely new technology, an entirely new platform than the previous LeapPad products that you may be familiar with. Even though it looks the same, those old books and cartridges won't work with this system. The bottom line here is the new LeapStart system takes advantage of many years, almost 2 decades of content from the old LeapPad, Leapfrog curriculum, and delivers it here in tasty little bites, each on a page, and it's very responsive, and there's a lot of ways to explore different school-related concepts. But sadly, there is a lack of craftsmanship that we noticed back in the olden days. For example, these animals are not presented to scale, and there are also some pages that you can't interrupt the narration, so your pacing is slowed by the actual narration, and that's not a deal breaker here, but it's the kind of thing that we would differentiate this from a real magical, responsive experience. The speakers are a little bit cheap. The stylus is kind of hard to hold. The stylus tether is a little rigid. All these are little things that take away from the experience a little bit, but not a lot. And the advantage is that you can drop in any of the books which are sold for $10 each, and it'll work. No cartridges, no hassle, and there's always something to do.
Lowercase a, lowercase d. Touch as many
if you're looking for a non-internet required, non-Wi-Fi, non-glass, non-tablet system, the LeapStart works as promised. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to pull some samples out of the various books to give you an idea of what the system does.
Keys with the numbers 3, 2, and 1 on them. Touch the keys with the numbers 3, 2, and 1 on them. 3, 2, 1. Great! Now find the locker that these 3 keys unlock. You have keys with the numbers 3, 2, and 1 on them. The knight's costume. Great! Great detective work. These guys sure are quite the cast of characters. Listen to the size descriptions in each question, and then select the character who best matches it. Whatever I saw must have been the same height as the broom. Find a suspect who is the same height as the broom. That's right. The raccoon is the same height as the broom.
If you always treat me like a criminal, then I will eventually eventually become a criminal. But he was huge. He was 2 ladders tall.
What a singular use of a pentagon. It's the relationship, one triangle, 1 circle, and 1 square.
Oh dear.
Yes?